Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your POCO X8 Pro. So first, it's not normal that you do not see your battery percentage. What you guys want to do first is go over into the settings, and here in the settings on this specific phone, you guys want to go to notifications and status bar, and here you want to make sure that the battery indicator says the percentage. So we got two options right here. As you guys can see, I got my percentage, but if you don't have it on either of those settings except the first one, then you might want to first restart your phone to reset the battery sensor. So press the power button, the volume up button, and swipe down to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, what you guys want to do is go over to the Play Store and search for a battery widget if the issue is still not fixed. Now, I am using the Battery Widget Reborn, so this is actually one of the best battery widgets out there. And now we're gonna type in Battery Widget, and it'll be the first one, which is the Reborn option. Now, it's made by Thomas Hubalik, so make sure to keep that in mind when installing so you don't install anything else. It's only 11.5 megabytes, so it should install pretty quickly. As you guys can see, it's already on our device. Let's click open, and let's click consent, start manually. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the home screen, and we're gonna hold our finger until we see this menu. Now we tap on widgets, and here we go over, and let me quickly search for the widget. We're gonna search for Battery Widget Reborn 2025. We can add this one, or we can add the chart. It's totally up to us. I'll use this one for an example. And here we can select what's inside the circle. So the battery without the percentage, time remaining, time when completed, or the temperature. Even though it does not show right now, it should load anytime. Now we're gonna press here, and we got our battery widget. We can go over and put it here. Now we can hold it and adjust the size of it. So now we got our battery widget. If it's empty for you, then you have to go to the authorized device support and tell them about the issue, and it is definitely a not working battery sensor. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.